I did. You want to see how animals eat their food? Watch closely. Moo! The chinchilla.
Get that out.
Okay, retry going quick. The chinchilla.
Say it again.
The chinchilla.
The alligator. Okay, so what's next? We'll both say it together. Say, what did us standing in front of the camera say? Here's our special guest.
And it's just the tablecloth.
I need a little thing.
I like carrots. No, get the one over there. There's two on the couch.
Oh, you'll edit that out?
Okay. The alligator. No.
You'll edit that out, won't you?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Kangaroo. Okay. Next one. Check the list for me.
It's the whale.
The whale. I farted.
Don't forget to edit that.
I don't know, Savannah. Calm down. I'll
The
edit
whale.
everything out that we don't need.
The whale.
Wait.
The whale.
Wait.
The whale.
I tell you when to go.
The whale.
I said moo, god dang it. I didn't mean to say moo. Missed it. Okay.
You need to hurry this up.
Why did I say moo?
Like the whale.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Got that. Okay.
We should like have bloopers. Like when we're fixing the stuff, we can save all the unneeded stuff. It's like yeah, I'll say moo. Okay. Ready?
The whale.
Okay, fix it. Wait, we chopped some carrots. You know what? We don't need carrots anymore. Screw the carrots.
We're using carrots.
Take all the carrots. They're all right there.
Fix it. Bob the Builder. We can fix it. You're an idiot. But
Yes,
we can
I am. But we can't fix it. No. Bob the Builder, we can't fix you. No.
This will definitely go in the bloopers if we can put that in the whole video together.
Take that.
But we can't do that, Lauren. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
What are we doing now? Okay, hold on. Fix the tablecloth. Okay. The piranha. Good. The cat. Okay, I need the lid off.
We need to fix this stuff.
Yeah. Quick. No.
We'll still have enough time to edit it all out.
Okay, I need the lid off. Take the lid off. Man, take the lid off. Okay, just hold your plate. No, that's not yours. This is yours. Hold your plate. Don't set it on there. Just hold it. Okay. You need to scoot in a little bit.
The cat.
Wait, no.
The cat.
Spectacular. What's after the cat?
The chameleon.
Okay, keep the lid off. This is the point where we give up.
The chameleon. Okay, say
Huh?
yeah.
Yeah. The chameleon. Good. Next. Next. Okay, squirrel. You have to do squirrel. And then move the special.
We don't really need a banana.
Go. Wait. Okay. The squirrel. Redo it. This time puff up your cheeks like stuff a bunch of carrots in your mouth.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go.
Now let's come up to the camera and tell them. And we have a special guest.
The special guest
is, say it with me,
the
Lowlands Beast.
from 3exclamationpoint.
3exclamationpoint, if you're watching this, sorry if you feel like we're plagiarizing, but we're not. We just want to make a tribute to your funny.
Disclaimer, this is not our idea.
Now for my yummy dessert, more carrots, and luckily my friend left. Now I can eat it all by myself. You stupid Lowlands Beast!
Move!
And that was from the video. We're gonna edit all that out.
And we'll have bloopers coming up, so stay tuned. Deuces!